Hi, my name is Brendan, and today I'm going to open these two Pokemon Go tin. But first, please like and subscribe to this video. Now let's just start with the Silver and Tempest Booster Pack first. Let's just kick it off with something. I have a Fire Energy, a Professor Lantern, a Megatang, a Toxpex, a Litten, a Puppy, a Phoebus, a Dratini, a Wombler, a Snuff Puff, and a Forest Seal Stone card. Now let's start with the Pokemon mini tin. Hopefully I can get some cards to complete my set. So you get this Pokemon code thingy for the game. First pack. We have an Energy, a Six, a Salida, a Landstone, a Bidoof, Charmander, an Amplar, a Bulbasaur, a Pooh, we have a Spinarak Ditto card, and a Lapras. I'm going to peel it open. To reveal the Ditto, I have this card as well. These are the two cards we have. Not sure what. This two cards. Now the last one for the mini tin. Oh, I can see just something. I can see something. Hopefully something we need. Wait. Oh, whatever. I can see something. I can see a shine. An Energy. An Ivysaur. Hopefully it's a card that we need. Cramprant. A Magikarp. Oh, Meltan. Eevee. A Pikachu. A Squirtle. Okay, it's something we need. Articuno, we need that. And a Melmetal VMAX that we need for the set. Now let's go to the tin. Hopefully there's more cards that we need, like that Melmetal we needed. So I have this Hollows promo card Snorlax and a Pikachu card. Yeah. We got some stickers. We got a sticker. The code thing again. A code card. And 4 booster packs. Put everything away. Oh yeah, for the mini tin we have this card. This thing. And we have this. Let's start with this first Pokemon Go booster pack. The Energy, the Steelix, the Silk, Rare Candy, Magikarp. I think I see something. Pidoof, Onyx, Eevee, a Charmander, Landstone, oh, and a Lapras again. Energy again, the same energy. Sue, Blanche, I think I need that. Rock, and Pon. And I'll show you my binder at the end. A Spinarak again, not the Ditto, Alolan, Rattata, Wimpod, Pikachu. Oh, and a Ditto Neum. And a Golden Lure module. We have a Golden Lure module. We have a secret rare card. We'll have this Spinarak back to back. I'll keep this still. I'll keep that. We have these are the cards that we have so far. So the 2 promo and the Ditto, the 2 Dittos. Look, I'm just gonna leave this unpeeled. And we have the 3 big hits we had. This card, Lure Module Golden, and these 2. We definitely need these 2 for it to complete. Hopefully, we can complete the whole set with it. Hopefully the hits will be coming. Okay, yeah. It's a Lightning Energy, Sparks, a Ampos, Steelix, a Poro, Magikarp, Melton. I'll give you a recap later and the cards as well. Eevee, my binder, my Pokemon Go binder, Pikachu, Melmetal, and a Blissey. I think I need the Melmetal and Blissey as well. Last one. Last booster pack. Okay. Yeah, I think I see something. This card again. Sue. Rare Candy. Slowbro. A Meltan. Squirtle. A Trill, and a Charmander, and an Eevee or something, and an Earthsend, and a Gyarados. Okay, I'll show you the recap later, and I'll show you my Pokemon Go binder. So I'm here with the recap, and I'll show you my binder later. So we have the Pikachu, the Snorlax, the Ditto, the 2 Ditto cards. Gonna leave this sealed. Like, not ripped. And then we have a Forest Seal Stone, Melmetal VMAX, and a Golden Lure module. I'll be back with my binder. So I'm back with my binder, my Pokemon Go binder. Let's see what I got. So at this page, nothing. There's nothing here, but not here. So there's a one here, Melmetal VMAX, one here. Got one here. I got the Lure module here, and I got the promo here, the energy, and I just made a new page for the distance. These are just random cards I made, so I ran out of pages from my old one, so I just used it. But that'll be in another time, in another video. So remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.